In the realm of luxury timepieces, there's more ticking than just gears and springs. There's untapped financial potential. Picture this: your passion for watches, those intricate marvels of craftsmanship, becoming a significant source of income. As we explore the top 5 strategies to monetize your horological passion, remember, each second could be accruing value, turning your love for watches into a savvy investment. My name is James from Timepiece Treasures. Let's wind up and dive into the lucrative world of watch trading. Number 1. Invest in limited edition models. Luxury watch brands often release limited edition models that become collectibles. Watches like a limited run Omega Speedmaster or a special edition Breitling can appreciate significantly over time. For instance, securing a limited edition piece for $12,000 might see its value soar as its rarity and demand increase in the watch community. Number 2. Trade vintage watches. Vintage watches hold a special place in the market. A well-maintained Rolex Submariner from the 1960s, initially bought for a few $1,000s, could now command a hefty sum. The key is understanding which vintage models are sought after and their historical significance. Scar auction houses or estate sales. Sometimes these hidden gems are waiting to be rediscovered and can turn into a profitable sale. Number 3. Engage in flip trading. Much like the real estate market, flipping watches involves purchasing undervalued watches, restoring them if needed, and selling them for profit. This could mean buying a Tag Heuer Carrera in need of a little TLC for $2,000, refurbishing it, and selling it for $3,500. It requires a keen eye for potential and an understanding of restoration costs. Number 4. Explore brand partnerships. If you have a significant following in the watch community, brand partnerships can be lucrative. Watch brands may offer commissions for sales generated through your referrals or pay for sponsored content. Imagine showcasing the latest Hublot model on your platform and earning from each sale you influence. Number 5. Start a watch rental service. Luxury watch rental services cater to those who desire to wear a high-end watch for special occasions without the commitment of a full purchase. Offering a Rolex or Patek Philippe for a special event could yield substantial rental fees. For instance, renting out a $20,000 watch for 5% of its value can become a steady stream of income. The world of horology is ripe with opportunities for creating educational content. With a growing number of enthusiasts seeking knowledge, crafting detailed guides, reviews, or histories of iconic watches can not only position you as a thought leader in the field, but also open up revenue streams through digital content platforms. From YouTube channels to blogs, leveraging your expertise to educate others not only fuels the passion of fellow aficionados, but also establishes a niche audience eager for your insights and recommendations in the world of luxury timepieces. A bonus method: organize watch networking events. Another lucrative avenue in the horological world is organizing watch enthusiast meetups and networking events. These gatherings can be a melting pot for collectors, traders, and aficionados to share their passion, exchange knowledge, and even facilitate trades and sales. By charging a participation fee or securing sponsorships from watch brands and luxury lifestyle companies, you can turn these events into profitable ventures. Additionally, these events offer excellent opportunities for building a robust network, which is invaluable in the luxury watch market, often driven by personal connections and exclusive offers. Remember, each strategy requires a mix of knowledge, patience, and sometimes a willingness to take calculated risks. Whether it's investing in limited editions, trading vintage classics, flipping for profits, collaborating with esteemed brands, or renting out luxury timepieces, the world of watches offers diverse avenues to turn your horological passion into a profitable endeavor. We're winding up for now, but there's more to come. Ensure you're here for our next revelation by liking and subscribing.